Tyrone Iras Mage is not your everyday student. From his dorm room, the young academic achievers pulled off something many would consider impossible. Without a fully equipped laboratory, he built a working 8-bit arithmetic logic unit, ALU, using only discrete MOSFETs. Now, what do we mean by discrete MOSFETs? A discrete MOSFET in computer language means that it is an individual, standalone MOSFET transistor used as a separate component in a circuit. In full, a discrete MOSFET means metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. A MOSFET is used to switching power on and off, driving motors, LEDs, and relays. It is also used to amplify signals. Now, why Tyrone Iras from Ghana is an extraordinary guy? Tyrone was just out from his high school because he had dreadlocks and basically his belief and strong faith in Rastafarian religion. This to him was then a turning point of his life. Tyrone then took an initiative and used 250 hours to build a computer brain from scratch. What makes his achievement even more remarkable is that he had no prior experience in chip design when he started. Driven by curiosity and determination, Tyrone dedicated over 250 hours to the project, carefully designing, simulating and verifying every part of the arithmetic logic unit. Tyrone then tested it thoroughly to make sure it is working. Tyrone also indicated that his ALU was pushed through more than 1.2 million test vectors, ensuring it was not just a brilliant idea on paper, but a functional system that actually works. In the process, Tyrone went deeper than most students ever do, right down to every logic gate and electronic behavior, gaining a true understanding of how computers work beyond the black box, what most people usually accept as CPU, Central Processing Unit. With phase 1 completed, the next steps include optimization, assembling the design onto a PCB. For those maybe who does not understand what this is, a PCB, it is simply the circuit board that all electronic components are mounted on and connected by. Now continuing, soldering and the challenging work of debugging to refine performance. Tyrone's work is a powerful reminder that innovation is not limited by location or resources, but by imagination and persistence. Beyond his technical brilliance, Tyrone is also known for speaking up on religion freedom in education, showing that he is not only intelligent, but also principled and courageous. Remember, this is Imara.